Hey operators, I'm Raheem Kareem, and welcome back to DevOps Get Started. Today, we're going up into the cloud. Cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, and Azure give us scalable, flexible, and cost-effective ways to run our apps, pipelines, and infrastructure. But using the cloud effectively, that's a DevOps art. All right, let's zoom out and ground this with a simple but critical distinction. Cloud DevOps versus on-prem DevOps. At a high level, the DevOps flow looks familiar on both sides. Code commit, build, security analysis, pipeline, deployment. But the context changes everything. On the cloud side, the pipeline flows straight from commit through automation into deployment. Cloud platforms abstract away infrastructure concerns so teams can focus on speed, feedback, and iteration. Fewer steps, fewer handoffs, faster delivery. On the on-prem side, notice what gets added, a formal release step. That's not accidental. On-prem environments usually live in regulated, controlled, or legacy-heavy spaces where releases require approvals, coordination, and tighter governance. Due to certain industry-specific regulations, such as within financial services, healthcare, and government, they often must operate on-prem or in hybrid setups. And that's the key takeaway here. Most real organizations are hybrid. Cloud gives you velocity, on-prem gives you control, and DevOps is all about designing a flow that respects both. This framework isn't about choosing sides. It's about understanding the trade-offs so you can design pipelines that actually work in the real world. Once you understand that difference, the tools start making a lot more sense. Let's break down what DevOps looks like in the cloud. We start with CI/CD pipelines triggered by commits or merges. Then containers deployed with Docker or Kubernetes. From there, storage and databases provision on demand. And then monitoring and logging integrated with services like CloudWatch, Stackdriver, or Azure Monitor. The cloud makes all this possible without needing to manage physical servers. You focus on deploying and scaling. The platform handles the rest. You can even connect GitHub directly to cloud platforms. So pushing to main triggers a full pipeline. Build, test, deploy. All right, let's make this real. I'm starting here with Google Cloud Build. This is where CI comes to life in the cloud. Cloud Build handles builds, tests, and deployments using single config files without you needing to manage servers or runners. From here, Cloud Build connects directly into Cloud Run, which is Google's fully managed container runtime. You can build once, deploy instantly, and let the platform handle scaling, networking, and availability. And what I love is how easy Google makes it to actually get started. Right here is a Cloud Run Quick Start. Step-by-step guidance that shows how to deploy continuously with Cloud Build. This is DevOps without ceremony. You can go from repo to running service incredibly fast. If you want to go a level deeper, Google has a full guide on deploying to Cloud Run using Cloud Build, showing how CI and CD connect cleanly in a cloud-native pipeline. And for folks who really want hands-on reps, this is gold. A Google Code Lab that walks you through automatically deploying from GitHub to Cloud Run using Cloud Build. No guessing, no fluff, just real DevOps muscle memory. As I click through these steps, notice the pattern. Commit, build, deploy, feedback. That's Cloud DevOps working exactly as designed. Before we wrap, here's a quick peek at my Google for Developers profile. Although it's private, this is what building in public looks like. Learning, experimenting, earning badges, and sharing progress with the community. And while we're looking at Google today, the bigger lesson is this. Every major cloud provider has similar launchpads. AWS, Azure, Oracle, others. Different tools, same DevOps principles. Cloud makes it easier to start, but DevOps mastery comes from understanding the flow, not just the platform. And once you get comfortable with that flow, you're officially ready to get started. Here are the top 3 things to remember. The cloud accelerates DevOps with scale and flexibility. Use platform-native tools for pipelines, logs, and alerts. And think automation first. In most cases, the less you mainly do, the more scalable you become. In our next episode, we look into the future. AI is reshaping developer operations, from code suggestions to automated pipelines. And yes, DevOps now has copilots. I'm Raheem Kareem, and your DevOps toolkit just got a lot more powerful.